Video we will see how to update the ASUS monitor firmware, USB update, steps and a fix update not working. So the step 1, you can check your monitor model number. You can find it on the back of the monitor or in the OST. Then go to the official ASUS support website. After that, type your monitor model in the search box and open its support page. Then click on the driver or utility or firmware section. After that, in the step 5, you can download the latest firmware file available for your monitor and then extract the downloadable zip file if it's not compressed. And in the step 7, you can read the instructions file including in the folder carefully and connect your monitor to your PC using the required cable and run the firmware update tool from the extracted folder. And then in the step 10, you can follow the on-screen instructions and wait until the update is complete. Do not turn off the monitor or PC during the update. Once finished, you can restart your monitor. Goodbye.